Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So today ADA and the crypto sector as a whole is under a bit of selling pressure, but ADA is holding up quite well because if we compare it to some other cryptos, I mean, for example, VeChain 10% down today, Mana 10% down, ADA 2.8% down, at least that's what's showing me on Tradingview. Now there are some other coins that are moving up that we're covering as well, but most of them do see some form of a pullback. Now again, even if a 10% move down happens after those increases that we've seen over the last few days and weeks, I mean, it is not anything major and the market is breathing in, breathing out. So at the moment, this is simply a consolidation. However, below a critical level that we talked about now a few times. And if you are familiar with my videos, if you're familiar with Elliott wave, then you know that the 100% Fibonacci extension level is not just a random level, it is quite an important level. There's a reason why the price isn't consolidating below the March high, which is simply structural resistance. No, the price is really facing difficulties to break above the 100% extension at $1.04. Why is that important? Because it is the level that typically shows, where the price typically shows a reaction when we're dealing with an A, B, C structure. It is normally resistance anyway. But this is a key decision point. If there is weakness in the market, we will probably see a significant retracement from here. But a break above $1.04 will send us most likely to 142. I'm talking about a sustained break. 142 next, and ideally even 172 as the next upside milestone targets. That's also the first wave 3 target here, 172, the 138% extension. So at the moment, I only see this as a temporary consolidation. It is though a decision point, because if the price gets rejected here, breaks below support, that's about it. You know, that was it. And this was simply an A, B, C structure, and we're likely breaking down. There would be one more chance though. Maybe we could say, okay, maybe this is a wave 1, A wave, high B wave, C wave, inner wave 2. The wave 2 is resetting. Then we could still go from there. I mean, that would be my bullish alternative if we break below 60 cents. For now, I've got one bullish scenario. I mean, okay, it's two, but they're moving together. So it's not really two scenarios. I've got one scenario in which the price has support at 60 cents. Below 60 cents, I would start to worry. There isn't really much to worry as long as we're holding above 60 cents. Any break below it would require a reinterpretation of the chart. Yeah. So please understand that everything above 60 cents, or let's say below the current top at 115 and above 60 cents, it is simply noise. We can try to understand the micro, which we're doing, but doing micro analysis on a volatile altcoin, in the worst case, it will scare you, right? Because if a micro support breaks, you might think, okay, something bad is going to happen, even though it really just might mean there is some increased intraday volatility, or Bitcoin is going down, so ADA is reacting as well. So the micro analysis is really just if you're scalping, you know, and if you're quick in and out. But overall, the important level for me is the 60 cent level. Please note, below that level, it doesn't confirm we're going to completely new lows and the bear market is there, but it will mean that something might change, and we can then still watch the 29 cent level as critical support. That's why it's still on the chart. Yeah. So ideally, upside, as long as we're holding that level. I'd like to see further direct upside. Okay, if we break below it, that lower support area can still act as support. And overall, I assume that we've seen a significant low in August. That's the current assumption. But please note, we have only 3 waves up from the low. Yeah, we only have 3 waves up. This is not a solid additional 5-wave move up, which would have provided more clarity and more bullishness, I would say. No, it's only a 3-wave move up, which just looks like an ABC structure, which can easily find resistance here at the 100% extension. But a break above that $1.04 level on a sustained basis would provide also some clarity that we're moving to 142 and 172. So key decision point, looking at the shorter time frame and the micro analysis, I think we're still holding above the communicated micro support. At least this is some Fibonacci support we're watching between 94 cents and $1.04. Okay, any break below it could indicate that circle 4 is unfolding, but then again, it's the 60 cent level that really matters. There is some additional support at 70 cents and 85 cents. these are levels that you could observe to see if buyers are stepping in. Here, the buyers are trying to make a comeback, but they're not strong enough yet. And any break below the red line would also indicate further weakness. I mean, that's just structural support, yeah, at around 76 cents. So this is simply here currently seen as a wave 4 internally. Could be a different interpretation. Again, it's a micro analysis. So this might turn into a triangle or something, but 94 cents, then 85, and then 77 are next support levels for now. Yeah, that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. You can find links to the membership on our channel page. Here it's next to the trailer video that explains the membership in 2 minutes. The membership is explained to you. Today I uploaded Near Protocol and XLM for members. So if you're interested in some member-only videos, additional updates, then feel free to check it out. Also, as a gold member, you can request analysis. It's not guaranteed. You can vote for it on Discord, and then based on the votes, I will update additional coins as well. But yeah, feel free to check it out, and I hope you will have a great rest of your day and a great start to the week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.